In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design and style pop-up forms in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left menu, click on Forms. Then click on Create Pop-up Form. Then next is click on View All Templates. Now select a template that would suit your preference. Then next is click on Create Form. Now here, use the form builder to change the layout, colors, fonts, and images. You can also add your own logo and adjust the size of the pop-up. So here, edit form fields. You can add or remove fields like email address, first name, phone number, depending on the information you want to collect. And once you're happy with the design, click on the Save and Review button. Here you can customize more settings of the pop-up form. And when everything looks good, click on the Publish or Schedule button at the top. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!